have you had this problem in Microsoft Word? Vertical not working. Now I'm going to show you how to solve this problem. Now you see here my horizontal ruler is working and vertical ruler is not working. Now to solve this problem, just click on File tab. You move straight to this options. Here you'll have to click here. I will click on option here, then it will open this word option dialog box. Next thing you need to do is I will have to click on display, and I have page display options here. I will have to check here show white space between pages in print layout view, then I'll click OK. Then this problem will have been solved. Now let me try to work with my vertical ruler. Now it is working. If you like this video, please consider subscribing.